Did you know that aircraft mechanics are in high demand? Epic Flight Academy in New Smyrna Beach, Florida invites you to train in our Part 147 aircraft mechanic program for a rewarding career in aviation maintenance.
You will gain knowledge, develop skills, and foster a disposition of safety and care in this program. The majority of your learning experiences will be hands-on. You will work on actual aircraft with other students, and we pride ourselves on keeping the sizes of our classes small. Here is a partial list of skills you will acquire in our program. Demonstrate basic aircraft drawing skills. Perform aircraft weight and balance skills. Master ground operations and servicing duties. Exhibit mathematical skills. Maintain accurate forms and records. Explain understanding of maintenance publications. Engage in professional communications. Determine and maintain correct levels of aircraft fluid lines. Adjust and maintain aircraft fittings. Clean and maintain corrosion control of equipment. Master basic electricity skills. Maintain aircraft covering. Apply aircraft paint and finishes. Maintain wood structures. Repair and/or build sheet metal and non-metallic structures. Inspect, repair, and maintain aircraft landing gear systems, hydraulic and pneumatic power systems, cabin atmosphere control systems, and aircraft instrument systems. Weld and assemble rigging and airframe to pass inspection. Inspect, repair, and maintain communication and navigation systems. Demonstrate the skills of an aviation maintenance technician with an FAA airframe rating. Inspect, repair, and maintain aircraft fuel systems, aircraft electrical systems, and position and warning systems. Demonstrate an attitude of safety and care. Inspect, repair, and maintain ice and rain control systems. Exhibit knowledge of Federal Aviation Administration airframe licensing requirements. Inspect, repair, and maintain aircraft fire protection systems.
Tuition is surprisingly affordable. Join us in this hands-on program where you will acquire skills to work in aircraft maintenance, space launches, and theme park attractions. Contact us today to learn about upcoming classes. Your new career as an aircraft mechanic is easier than you think.
Be sure to like our video and subscribe for more epic content. And while you're here, check out some of our more recent videos and playlists.